As we all know, the TWS market or the true wireless stereo market is growing, and nearly everyone wants the convenience of having an earphones that has no wires and can be easily used on your phone, tablet, or PC, or any music player that has Bluetooth connectivity. However, there is one concern: the price. Some of them, most of them, are really expensive for an earphones. Last year, JOYROOM tried to solve that problem by introducing the JR-TS04S true wireless stereo earphones. It is an earphones priced at around 1.5k, under 1.5k. And for me, budget true wireless stereo earphones aren't supposed to be that good for the price, but JOYROOM did it. JOYROOM made it possible. So we gave that earphones a good review, and I think I recommended it to a lot of my friends because it is very affordable, it sounds good, and it has pretty decent battery life. Fast forward late last year to early this year, JOYROOM partnered with Digital Walker. That's why we have this box. They sent this to us. It is a special edition JOYROOM JR-TS04S true wireless stereo earphones. Why is it special? This is the only one in the world with black color, right? JOYROOM kasi it's mostly white, and this one it is black, so it is a limited edition version. It is a little bit pricier at 2,000 pesos or 1,990 pesos, but for those who want to be different, this might be the one for you. Hi, this is Peter of GIZGUIDEPH, and this is our unboxing of the JOYROOM JR-TS04S true wireless stereo earphones, a special edition unit from Digital Walker. Let's check the box first. Okay, so it says here that it is a TWS bilateral wireless earbuds. Yes, it works on both ears, and yes, actually, I like that JOYROOM stayed true to the specs. When they say 45 mAh battery with 3.5 hours calling time, that is true. It has 500 mAh as well in the charging box, and that is true as well. So here, there's some more information here. So they have a WeChat QR code here, and of course it says here that it has the Bluetooth 5.0 version, and this is the special edition block. So let's unbox it. The can looks actually nice. The first thing that we saw is this quote: "You only live once." Yes, YOLO. And me, I like that. And then I immediately saw the earphones. So this is the earphones. It feels a little bit different this time. Why? It has a case. The first unit that I got looks like this. This is not it, but it looks like this. It's just plastic. The case is just plastic, and there's no case. But this time, JOYROOM and Digital Walker added a sleeve, and it is a rubber sleeve. There you go. I can remove it. Let's try to remove the sleeve. It is a rubber sleeve that is supposed to give this true wireless stereo earphones extra protection. So this is a nice addition. That's why maybe it's more expensive. And then you get the earphones itself. So this is the case of the earphones. So inside it, you get this left and right earpieces. Once you remove it, there's a plastic here, meaning that it is still not used. Then those are the charging pins that you attach here to make sure that you can charge it. And I think that's everything that's inside this box. Okay, let's try to dig deeper. Maybe they have more in store for us. Oh yeah, they have something else in the box. So this is the charging cable, USB-A to micro USB. Yeah, that's a little bit of a downside because it is still not using USB-C, but that is okay. Let us all remember that this is a sub 2,000 pesos through wireless earphones. And then you get this clip. that you can attach to the case. Where's the case? Here's the case. You can attach it here. There you go. So maybe you can, so that you can easily carry this anywhere you want, and that's actually pretty cool. And then next is this. This is the last thing that I saw inside the box. The paper documentation, if you care about it. And it's in Chinese only. I can't read Mandarin. I don't know. I don't even know if it is Mandarin. Yeah, at the back there's the English manual. So there you go. So here, multifunction button, LED light indicator, microphone, charging, contact point, and more. So to recall, I like the build of this thing. The ear tips, wow, it feels a little bit more refined this time. The last time, the ear tips has some minor issues. It's very minor, especially for the price. The plastic that they use has some sharp edges, but it's very minimal. But this time, it's way more refined. So that is a welcome improvement. I have a full review of these earphones in my website, www.GIZGUIDEPH.com. So if you want to read more about it, please do so. And I will just mention some of the things that I like with this. First, the battery. It can last for around 3 hours per charge. And then the charging case can charge it for around 5 times. Feature-wise, it is very easy to pair, very easy to use. It can pair manually to your device. To pair, you can easily pair it by just pressing this button here. Just wait for the white and orange LED lights to blink. And then once paired, reconnection will be very easy and quick. And yes, it has Bluetooth 5.0 technology, so expect more stable Bluetooth connectivity, and I like it. When it comes to audio quality, once you get the correct seal, the JOYROOM JR-TS04S can give you an amazing sound experience for the price. It isn't so much bassy, but I like its mids, I like its soundstage. Yes, because this one has an open ear design. It is open. It is not in ear, so don't expect much isolation. But that's okay. This is on a budget. It don't have the active noise cancellation of the FreeBuds, but that's all right. The FreeBuds is priced at $8,990. This one is priced at $1,990. So those minor things can be easily be forgiven. And then I like that it is good for both the male and female vocals, and it can make some instrument heavy tracks shine. The soundstage, as I mentioned earlier, is wide. It is close to like concert wide like. Overall, it is one of the best sounding buds for its price, and I can assure you guys that this thing can compete with even some wired earphones. When it comes to connectivity, I mentioned earlier that it has Bluetooth 5.0. It is super stable. Maybe when it comes to gaming, you will experience a bit of delay, but in general, when it comes to music, this is actually amazing. And guys, did you know why I am not using it? I have some good news for you. I will be giving away this unit that I just unboxed here, to one very lucky winner. So all you need to do is just follow the instructions that I placed in the description, and good luck everyone. So guys, thank you for watching. I hope that you like this quick unboxing. To read our full review of the JOYROOM JR-TS04S, all you need to do is go to GIZGUIDE.com and search for it. I will also place its link here below. Bye-bye and see you on our next video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.